peeps, mewmew here, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are going to be opening the Lootcrate Sanrio small gift box. It is their summer 2018 box, and their theme is a little mermaidy thing. And last year's summer box was my favorite, so I'm hoping that this one will also be very good. And I do have some things to say about the box, but I'll save that to the end after we open it and see what we got. So here we go. Let's open the box. And yes, I am playing around with a new, unboxing setup, so let me know in the comments what you think of it and how this goes. Oh, cute. So, right off the bat, we have, I think it's a magnet? I don't know what it is, but it is Hello Kitty with a little block that has K, I guess for kitty, and a little, apple. It is very cute. And I kind of actually want to take it out of here. It's in little plastic. Well, it was using slow plastic to get stuck on the box with the little sticker. Oh, it's several things. Okay, so I don't understand this because it is in Japanese, so we'll put that aside. And there's several thingies. And there's stickers. Yes, there's stickers. We have, oh my gosh, it's a kicking kitty. Oh, these are very adorable. So we have different stickers. They're very cute. We have kitty with the little blocks and several different stickers. I might use these on my planner. As you know, I like stationery, so definitely something that will be happening. Me using them there. Although I do have a thing about, stationery. I'm always really bad about actually using stickers on my planner because then I feel like, oh my gosh, now I could never use it again. But then it's like, well, then when are you actually going to use it? Okay, so took a little bit to get, the tape sticker thing removed. So here we have our first item, which is a tank. I'm glad they chose to do a tank. I forget what box sent a sweater. Actually, no, it was this box that sent a sweater in their spring box. And the design is actually very cute. I like that it is not that colorful. It is just plain white, and it is very cute. It's not the softest tank that I've had, but it is adorable. I probably will be using this. It's very cute. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. Get, start amassing our stuff. We have, ooh, this is shiny. We have an iridescent, note my terminology. It's an iridescent kind of little makeup bag. I guess you can actually use it for traveling if you want to. It has Mermaid Kitty and several other characters on here. They're very cute. I don't know who this little monster guy is. He seems rather interesting, but it is a cute box. I probably will be using this, especially for when I travel. I really like the iridescentness. Just look at it. It's so cute. I'm like watching it on the viewfinder, and I'm like, ooh, shiny, 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 shiny. Okay, so then we have this embroidered pin set. It has the little sea monster, mermaid, Hello Kitty, and Tuxedo-sama. They're very cute. Let me remove them so hopefully, removes any glare that might be there. They're very cute. I probably will put at least Tuxedo-sama on my backpack. If y'all have watched my Amazon Prime Day haul, there is a purple backpack there that I did get from my Giga's laptop, which is awesome. I'm actually using that these days, and I think I'm gonna have to put him there. It's so cute. I mean, the Hello Kitty is also very adorable, so maybe I'll put her there. But I feel like Tuxedo-sama, he's a little bit more muted as to how adult mewmew is. And now we have this cute little plush. It is a mermaid Hello Kitty. Let's get her out of here somehow. Yep. So here she is. She is very cute. I really like the colors on her. They're very cute. Hopefully the colors reflect really well. It's very really cute. Okay, and last but not least, we have the little letter, which tells us about our items today. So we have the little poster of like all the characters. And, you know, information about the items that we've gotten. So the items that we got are the multi-character toiletry pouch. I feel like I should actually read this letter. No, we'll see. So the multi-character toiletry pouch. Keep all your essentials close at hand in this clear holographic pouch featuring Mermaid, Hello Kitty, My Melody, and twin little stars. And we should mostly all know that this is not holographic. Anyways, we have the Hello Kitty Mermaid plush. This pretty Hello Kitty Mermaid plush makes waves with her pretty rainbow tail and bow. Clip her anywhere so she's always along for the voyage. And then we have the embroidered patch pin set, which is also very cute. Remember all your underwater adventures, even on dry land, accessorized with this kawaii embroidered pin set featuring Hello Kitty, Tuxedo-san, and meow. I can't pronounce that. Yeah. And then we have the multi-character tank top, which is go overboard on this tank top, featuring the super cute print of My Melody, little twin stars, Tuxedo-san, and the little monster guy. And visiting Mermaid Hello Kitty in her castle under the sea. Last but not least, we have the Sanrio trinket, which is a super cute sticker to share with a friend. And there's either the Hello Kitty, the twin little stars, My Melody, and Pom and Cinnamon Roll. And last but not least, there is this other item. I don't know, the glare of these lights will show it, but there is another item here that y'all didn't see. And the reason for that is we have a letter. Hey there, Looter. We hope you're enjoying your Splash theme Sanrio crate. We have one more super cute item to share with you, but it needs a little more time to arrive. Your exclusive multi-character sarong will ship separately in early August, so please be on the lookout for it during that time. We are very sorry for the inconvenience. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out. So I did get the box and didn't open it, and I waited until I got the other item, which I finally did get, and this is the other item. It's very colorful. This I can see that reflects very well on this lighting. Can I use this as a blanket? It is very pretty. It's like mermaidy scales, and then you can see the different characters in different parts of it. Like Hello Kitty, My Melody, twin stars, everybody's just kind of hiding in there. This is like so quite adorable. It's like a giant scarf, basically. A giant scarf. You know, this should just become the background to some of my videos. It's like, ooh. I love how it feels, actually. I do really like how it feels. And so yeah, it's basically like a very big scarf. And the details about this is, look and feel like a beautiful mermaid in this silky sarong, featuring mermaid scale design with Hello Kitty, My Melody, little twin stars, Tuxedo-san, and the little monster. So all the characters are on the scarf, little sarong. I don't know how you wear this appropriately, but I guess I'll look up some YouTube videos about somebody that knows how to do stuff with this, and I'll figure out what it is, and how to use it. So those are all the items that we got in the Lootcrate Sanrio for the summer of 2018. And now real talk with mewmew. I think all the items in the box were very cute. Don't get me wrong, everything is super cute, but this is the second time that the box has been really late. Like, it was about a month and a half late in the spring, and the items that we got were kind of lackluster, especially getting a, you know, like for example, getting a like sweatshirt in the spring. That made no sense to me, especially when everything on the theme was very springy in the sense of like flowers and stuff. It's like I would have expected like a tank top or even just a v-neck or like just a random shirt instead of a sweater. And that, I think that was also the item that held that box behind. And for this box, the summer box, they did send an email out saying that it was going to take a little bit longer to get one of the exclusive items, which I assume is this one. But then they ended up actually shipping the box to us. And so, I mean, they made us wait, and then they shipped the box, and then they sent us another email letting us know, by the way, this item that you're supposed to get, you're not actually gonna get it. It made me feel a little conflicted, just because I do like Hello Kitty, but there's also various characters on this box. There are other boxes that I get that are very character specific, that make it very easy to know that I'll like something. Like this box, I did like that there was a lot of Hello Kitty stuff, because I do prefer Hello Kitty over random monster guy. And sometimes there's just random characters that I don't really know from Sanrio. But I mean, if we want to, nail it down to why I think you should think about if you're gonna get this box. One, there's a lot of characters in the Sanrio, tray, so you never know which one you're gonna be able to get in the box, depending on their theme. Two, they've been taking a long time to deliver these boxes, and for the price, the items that we got, I don't feel they're entirely worth it. So it's up to you if you want to buy this box. Some of the things that I've gotten are very cute, but not all of them are like entirely usable on the day-to-day, such as some of the other boxes that I've gotten. But I do currently really like this song. Like, it just feels really good. So if I had to choose one item from this box or actually tell you which items on this box that I'm actually going to be using post this video, I might use this. I will use it today. I probably won't use it after this. Probably. I did like this little bag. I will use it whenever I travel, just so I can stuff all my stuff in there. I do have like a really old travel bag, so I'm gonna replace it with this. So this one I'll definitely be using. The tank top I'll probably use, around the house. But that's pretty much it. I do think I'm gonna use one of the pins on my backpack, but the Hello Kitty plush, she can't stand, so I don't know how I'm gonna display her, because she does have a bag clip, but I don't think I'm gonna dangle her in my bag. I might have to give her away to one of my cousins. Choo choo choo. Unless you want her. So that has been opening the Lootcrate Sanrio small gift box for summer 2018. I don't think I'm gonna be getting this box again unless I see a theme that is like, wow, I have to get it. It's either like really Choco Cat centric or like, depending on what it is. Depending. Like, they would have to really win me over, and those spoilers have to reel me in, just because I know that their box, second time in a row that they've been really late. I know their other boxes have also been late so far in like different time periods, but since this is a quarterly box, like, you have so much time to put it together. But I understand sometimes manufacturing things, especially custom things, is very difficult, so don't take it up against them. It's just, it happens. It happens. But yes. So I opened this box so you didn't have to. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this box, and are you getting this box or thinking of getting it? Thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, meow meow.